Assalamu alaikum. I am Irfan Bajwa. I am Director HR at BNU. I wanted to introduce new faculty members who have recently joined BNU's House of Wisdom. So let's see who they are and what they bring to the game.
Hi, my name is Sadia Ahmed. I'm a recently appointed senior lecturer at Department of Theatre, Film and Television under the School of Media and Mass Communication at Beacon House National University. I'm a gender and media scholar, currently a doctoral candidate at Curtin University, Western Australia, where I've also had the privilege of researching and teaching. At Beacon House National University, I'm excitedly looking forward to merge my prior teaching experience with the indigenous and traditional teaching pedagogies, as well as intersecting theory and practice.
Hello, my name is Mariam Khan. I'm a visual artist, designer, and academic with over 18 years of experience in academia and creative practices. I hold Masters in Animation from University of the Arts London and a Masters in Multimedia Arts from National College of Arts. I recently joined BNU as an Associate Professor in School of Media and Mass Communication. I joined BNU because of its vibrant spirit of creativity and innovation, which align with my passion of storytelling and design. My aim is to inspire students to think critically and take creative risk and use their imagination to create a meaningful impact. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhaira Ahmed and I have recently joined School of Management Sciences. My PhD is in Computer Applied Technology from Jiangsu University, China. I have more than 5 years experience of academics. I'm looking forward for having an amazing experience at BNU. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Farid Qureshi and I have recently joined BNU School of Management as an assistant professor. So I have a PhD in organizational behavior and strategy from LUMS, and I have about 2 decades of a diverse academic and corporate experience.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Nayab Tariq. Recently I have joined the Department of Hospitality Management at BN. I was so much fond of culinary education, knowing about hospitality management. Then I completed my MBA Master Studies. I used to work as a media chef with Super Chef Food Channel. Then I used to make course making plans with Neftec, and recently got the opportunity to work with BNU as a lecturer in hospitality management. So I'm hoping that I will bring a good change in this department. I would love to work and would love to get a great exposure and would love to give my experience to my students.
Hi, I am Asad. I have just joined BNU and I have completed my PhD from University of L'Aquila, Italy. I have 2 years experience in teaching and I have also 7 years of research experience in Taiwan and Italy.
My name is Abdul Hanan. I just joined as a new faculty member in BNU School of Computer and Information Technology Department. I did my masters from Germany and now I'm bringing the experience of working with companies like Lufthansa and Siemens. Very excited to join. Thank you.
मेरा नाम शमील कमर है। मैं रिसेंटली एज एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर मैंने ज्वाइन किया है इन द स्कूल ऑफ कंप्यूटर एंड आईटी इन BNU. माय PhD बैकग्राउंड इज़ इन मशीन लर्निंग एंड ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम आजू यूनिवर्सिटी साउथ कोरिया.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aman Aziz. I have completed my MPhil Computer Science degree from Information Technology University. I will be bringing that experience in BNU.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sausan Kadir and I have recently been appointed as an assistant professor at Mariam Daud School of Visual Arts and Design in Beacon House National University, from where I also attained my MA ADS degree. In SWAD, we take immense pleasure and proud in integrating an interdisciplinary approach in all our degree programs, and we urge the students to take a student-centric approach in all their projects.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dua Kundi and I'm a lecturer in the Department of Visual Communication Design at SWAD BNU. I'm also an illustrator, storyteller and visual communication designer. I graduated with this distinction in my undergraduate studies from this very department in 2022, and since then I have been associated with the department as a visiting faculty until now. With a focus on storytelling in my teaching practices building off of my personal practice, I aim to nurture critical and creative thinkers who can approach design with empathy by building reflective and research-driven practices in the classroom.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Juma Kadir. I've recently joined SWAD, Beacon House National University, Lahore, as an assistant professor and program coordinator for MAR education. I'm a researcher a practicing artist and an artist educator. I have done my Masters in Art Education from SWAT BNU and Bachelor's in Graphic Design from Islamia University, Bahawalpur. I've also done Business Entrepreneurial Cohort from LUMS. My vision is to allow students to think critically and connect art with sustainability and technological aspects that is the need of time. Thank you so much.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Sania Khan. I recently joined BNU School of Education as an assistant professor. I recently come back from University of Toronto after completing my postdoctoral fellowship in education. I've completed my entire higher education from University of Toronto. During my time at my university, I have developed curriculum as well as taught courses at my own university. What I hope to bring to BNU are my areas of interest, which include holistic education, expressive writing, decolonizing writing pedagogies, spirituality and education, indigenous epistemologies, indigenous knowledge systems, as well as subversive academic practices, which really means to question and reimagine traditional academic conventions. I really hope to make the most of my time here at BNU and learn from my peers as well as my students. Thank you.
So at BNU, we always welcome new ideas, new thoughts, and individuals who are willing to explore what lies beyond the established frontiers of knowledge. If you are one such individual, get connected with us, write to us at careers@bnu.edu.pk, and let's collectively expand this universe of knowledge and sagacity. Welcome to BNU.